Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was tasked with putting together a family and dog friendly multi-day adventure trip, and it turned into a full-on sand themed adventure across the Southwest. The idea was simple: see how far we could travel using free stays and open land, no money wasted on hotels, just the family, dog, and road. You can watch the drive-in right here as we pull up to the second sand themed part of our trip. This trip takes us on several different stops, each one with a unique sand themed location with his own look and story. It all started at a Whataburger in El Paso, where I accidentally stealth camped overnight on the curbside lane in the 24-hour restaurant. From there, we moved on to White Sands National Park in New Mexico. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. And now I'm about 31 minutes down the road at Red Sands OHV area, the closest free public camping to White Sands National Park. Red Sands offers completely free camping on open public land with direct highway access and plenty of room to set up for the night. No fees, no reservations, just open space. I'll show you a few clips from the drive and how the area opens up as you pull in, so you can get a sense of the terrain if you plan to stop here yourself. There's still one more sand stop coming up later in this trip. Make sure you like and subscribe to see where we end up next. Along the way, I've been running a few experiments over my other channel, The Complete General. That channel is inspired by an old gamer name I used to have called General H. Over there, I focus more on the gear side of these adventures. I've already done a White Sands hike using tactical gear on that channel, and an urban camo effectiveness test out there at White Sands. Next, I'll be breaking out 4 more desert camo patterns to test right here at Red Sands and run a camo comparison. If you want to find out which camo actually blends the best in this environment, or just want to follow the gear side of the adventure, hit subscribe on the Complete General channel as well. So, coming in here into Red Sands, I was concerned about, getting stuck in sand, but there's actually quite a few spots. I mean, a large majority of the area has this, I don't know what it's called. It's just, hard compacted. I don't know if it's sand. It feels like asphalt almost. Well, I mean, not with the rocky part. It's just like almost like cement or something. It's very hard spots, like deserty hard spots that you can just drive on, and there's other spots that have deeper sand that you can definitely avoid. Now, when you go in here, you can go pretty deep in there, but as you drive around, there's gonna be big little spots here and there, where they're almost like big squares. I guess they're more natural. It's not like they're man-made or anything, but there'll be big areas where people are even set up RVs and stuff, and they still have a lot of room. You could probably fit several RVs. All right, so we're here at Red Sands now. We're gonna camp set up. No roads out here. We're basically gonna sleep in a car. My son's gonna sleep in this inflatable mattress in the back of the seat. Do a lot of our bags either here or sorry, we got the light there, or a bag up top. And then now we're also gonna have some bedding back here. And I'll show you what it's like at the end. Dinner. Alright, it's bedtime.